everyone, today I am going to tell you how to compose and send a mail. Firstly, open your mails by clicking on this Gmail icon. Once you have opened your mails, select the compose option that is present on the bottom of your screen. After this, a page like this will appear. By default, your mail ID is already set in the from part. Now, in the to part, you have to write that particular mail ID on which you have to send the mail. Dear parents, here the mail ID of the concerned teacher will come, that will be given in the question paper as well as in the description box during the exam. Here I have written any random ID, but you have to only write the ID of the subject teacher only. Now write the subject. Whatever exam is there, suppose Hindi exam is there, write Hindi exam as the subject. After that, in the body or in compose mail, write the name along with the class and section of your ward. Once you have written the ID and you have written the subject as well as the name and class of your ward, after that the most important step comes. That is where you have to attach the PDF or images. For that, click on the pin-like icon that would appear on the top of your screen. You can see it is highlighted here. Once you will click on that icon, attach file or insert from drive. Now you can select any one option from which you have to attach your images or PDF. After attaching the PDF or images, it will be shown on your screen. After that, you have to enter or select the send option. For that, click on this particular triangular option that will be appearing on the top of your screen. Once you will select this option, your mail will be sent successfully. Thank you everyone. That's all for today.